Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
If your phone won't start after a reboot, try a soft reset by holding the power button for 10 to 20 seconds until the device restarts. If that doesn't work, charge your device for at least 30 minutes and try again. Should the problem persist, boot in safe mode or perform a factory reset, last resort, as it erases all data. If these steps don't help, it might be a hardware issue, and seeking professional repair services is advisable.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.